niggas in my grill trying to phase me.
Hey explorers, it's me again Dee, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing about another local and sustainable skincare or body care brand. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching because Dee explores the Bear Kit. From the name itself, you might already have an idea as to what products the Bear Kit has. As I mentioned, it is a skincare or body care brand that carries products for waxing, scrubbing, and moisturizing. It uses all natural ingredients for all their products and they advocate for sustainability. The Bear Kit was generous enough to send me their trio bundle and I'm super stoked to try them all. They sent me the Bear Kit trio, which includes the honey wax, the Wake Me Up coffee scrub, and the Glow Getter Shea butter. It also came with 2 wooden spatulas, 10 reusable cloth strips, and instruction cards. I'm going to show you how to use the Bear Kit products, but before anything else, make sure to do a patch test to check for any allergic reaction. The Bear Kit Honey Wax tub comes in 100 grams. Say goodbye to shaving and wax at the comfort of your own homes. Follow these easy steps to achieve a smooth, hairless skin. They call the Wake Me Up Coffee Scrub and Glow Getter Shea Butter the dream team for body exfoliation and moisturization. It claims to address acne, bumps, cellulite, and dry skin. Use the Bear Duo 1 to 2 times a week for a clear and glowing body. Follow these steps for best results. Hope you guys got a thing or two from this video. If you want to try out the Bear Kit products, visit their social media accounts or place your orders via Shopee. I'll be placing the link on the description box. Until then, see you on my next video. Keep exploring!